Pandas convert data frame to array of tuples. I have manipulated some data using Pandas, and now I want to carry out a batch save back to the database. This requires me to convert the data frame into an array of tuples, with each tuple corresponding to a row of the data frame. My data frame looks something like I want to convert it to an array of tuples like. Any suggestion on how I can efficiently do this?
As of 17.1, the above will return a list of named tuples. If you want a list of ordinary tuples, pass name equals none as an argument.
How about? For Pandas is lower than 0.24 Us.
Motivation. Many data sets are large enough that we need to concern ourselves with speed/efficiency. So I offer this solution in that spirit. It happens to also be succinct. For the sake of comparison, let's drop the index column. Solution. I'll propose the use of zip and map. It happens to also be flexible if we wanted to deal with a specific subset of columns. We'll assume the columns we've already displayed are the subset we want. What is quicker? Turns out records is quickest, followed by asymptotically converging zipmap and iter_tuples. I'll use a library simple underscore benchmarks that I got from this post. Check the results. A generic way.
If you want to say more, please consider subscribing.